Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the perfect way to prepare a green tea. I'll be showing two ways of preparing green tea, one by loose green tea and another by tea bags. So let's see the first method. Add a cup of water. Bring it to boil. The water is boiling, and at this stage, off the flame. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon loose green tea. Now leave the bowl for about 5 minutes. Let's see. Yes, the green tea has been ready. Take a cup, take a strainer, and strain this water. So this is the perfect way of preparing green tea by using loose green tea. Then I'm going to show you the second method using tea bag. Add a cup of water. There are different types of tea bags. I'll be showing you this one. The water is about to boil, and at this stage you may off the flame. Open the tea bag. Leave the bowl for about 5 minutes. Take off the lid. And yes, the green tea is ready. Take off the bag. Take a cup. So, the green tea is ready. The water is still hot. Take this green tea 2 times in a day for extreme weight loss. Besides this, green tea also helps reducing the scars and pimples on your skin. Green tea helps in anti-aging, anti-bloating. Green tea is also used for glowing your skin. Green tea helps in releasing the toxins from your body. No more than 2 cups of green tea must consume in a day, or it may create the dizziness,